So let's drill into the first 10-day block. Now, the first 10-day block is a Geng Gua. Geng Gua basically means stop lah, stoppages lah. If you look at this highlighted one, it says abandon the carriage and walk. Basically means don't take transportation. Huh? If you say don't take transportation, does it mean land transport, sea transport, air transport? Not too sure. Okay, or it could mean all these three. Right? So in this 10-day block, I would say that since it's asking us to abandon the carriage, then there could be transportation accident again. Now, what mode of transportation? We don't know. It could be any. It could be train, air, land, motor, okay, and sea. So if you're planning on cruise or taking interstate kind of bus services, this is called carriage or transportation. So be careful. Yeah, be careful. So the theme for the 10-day, I put here as accident. And then when I look through the day by day energy, there are signature of inundated. Inundated means flood or huge flood and overcoming. Okay, the town, the areas and things like that. So it's called inundation. And there's also signs of clashes. Well, this year is really not very peaceful. Clashes here, clashes there. Okay, so I would say this 10-day will be, the theme for this 10-day will be these three: accident, inundation, and clashes. Now, let me point you to the date that points to this inundation and clashes. Now, on the 7th October, it is a 家人卦. So it's a 庚, 是家人. So it says here the mountain are becoming like the white blue sea. Okay, and the land is become like the ocean. Even mountain so high can become a white blue sea, can become like water, right? And then the land become the ocean. So this inundation must be very serious. Is it another tsunami? On the 11th October, the one that I highlighted here is encountering trouble on the road. No, so why do I highlight this and not the rest? It's because there is a synchronization. On the left side, the higher level of reading, it says abandon the carriage and walk. That means there could be possible of transportation accidents. And then that day on the 11th October, it says here encountering trouble on the road. So therefore, there could be traffic accident, transportation accident. And then on the 12th October, it says here the water stop our progress, too deep to fog. On the 13th October, it says here when egg and rock contend means fight against each other. Egg and rock fight against each other. Sure, one will lose or one will win, but they still fight. That means one strong fight against one weak. And the egg is smashed. In this 10-day block, expect transportation accident, inundation, and clashes.